Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. And while this other video is loading, I thought I'd make another quick video on LIvesketch. I think it started in version X7. So anything above that, and you can do a lot with this. I mean, if you draw a straight line, it's going to make it pretty straight. And then if you wanted to make a letter, and you don't have to worry about how smooth it is. LIvesketch is going to make it semi-smooth. You know, you can almost draw a perfect circle, and it's not going to be perfect because your hand wasn't perfect, but there's no shaking. You know, if you hit a bump in the road, it's hard to kind of show that. See how it's taking that zigzag out like I moved my hand too fast? There's a lot you can do with this tool if you were drawing. You know, if you just want to draw an arch, well, let me start an arch. I mean, look at the arch, almost a perfect arch. And, you know, like I said, if you draw a straight line, it's going to be pretty straight. It's going to have a little bit of a curve, but it's not going to have the jiggle when you first start it. It's going to take all that out. So like, if you didn't watch that video on how I made this leaf, I mean, there's other ways to draw this, and I'm sure there's people that are artists that can do a better job than I can, but you can draw shapes. I would suggest drawing half of it at a time, and just so you can kind of stop and then go from that side. And I didn't do a very good job on that one. And like I said before, you could always just hit it and hit the delete key if you can get the delete key quick enough. Get back to this and just draw it and make that leaf. See how I don't know if you saw that, but I'm going to make a little bit of a jiggle at the top of this line, not intentionally, but just by, let me start over. Just trying to get it in there. See those little rough spots? Well, it's going to smooth most of those out. Pretty cool tool. So think about next time you're drawing to draw something with LIvesketch. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.